Hello. Welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about product additional options. In this video, we will see all features of additional options, additional option rules, and master product option rules. So, first of all, what are the additional options? Additional options are those options in any product which give something to select additionally. For example, you can see a few additional options, like foil used on cards. And it has 4 attributes, like UV spot gloss, silver foil, copper rose foil, and gold foil. Also, the paper is another additional option, and 14 point and 16 point are attributes of it. Then there are many more additional options. Also, you can see all additional option with checkbox, radio button, and dropdown. Now, let's see in admin how can we configure this additional option. Just go to Product, click on Action, click on Additional Option. By clicking on Add button you can add new option. Just put Addition Option Title. If you want to put some help info you can put into description, which will be visible at the front end like this. Then if you want to show multiple additional option in group, you can put it under the presentation group. After that, you need to select type. So you can see all the types, and how you want to represent it at front end, like text box, radio button, drop down, and all other option. On the right hand side, you can see buttons, like Display and Price Calculator. It must be activated to show this option at the front end. Display above size means the additional option will be visible above the size in the price calculator. Then, Hire a Designer. If you enable this button, then this additional option will be visible at the front end, only when the customer will select Hire a Designer option as Yes. Then, Required. This means, if you want to force your customer to select one option, you can activate this button. So until and unless the customer won't select an attribute, the system will force to the customer to select. Then below there, you can put all attributes of an additional option. Once you set up the additional option, click on Save and Continue. Here you can set additional prices for different attributes, and this price will be added to the base price. So you can configure additional option in that way. Now moving ahead with the additional option rule. So, let's assume you have created a lot of additional options with attributes, and you need to create some rules. For example, if we are selecting front side only from foil on the side and we want to hide front and back from printing side, there might be some other conditions, but how to set this condition in admin? Just go to Option Rules, click on Add button, just put rule title, then you can select conditions on different bases like size, quantity, and additional option. Here in our case, it's dependent upon additional option. So we will select additional option based, so we need to select front side only, and need to hide front and back from the printing side. So whatever we are selecting above on the case below items will be hidden. And then click on Save, and at front end you can see it's hidden. If you will select another attribute it will be visible. In this way you can create option rules, and it may be dependent on different parameters. Moving ahead we have new thing which we termed as master product option, so like how I have shown you to add additional option for product. So if we can create all the additional options in one place and later we can just assign them to the product. So just go to the products and under that click on product option. Here you can create all additional options master and later you can assign these options to the products wherever it requires. Just click on Add button, so you can put all the things related to additional option and set the formula, or multiplier for pricing, and in the last section, you can set up attributes and presentation settings. And once you click Save and Continue you can set pricing as well as you can see on screen. Now, how we can assign this master option to product? Go to Product, Additional Option, click on Assign Product Option, so all master option will be visible, and by clicking on Save button these options will be assigned to the products. And if there are multiple attributes, and you want to assign limited attribute to a product, then also you can do so. There are 2 separate videos available for this product option on our channel. Also, you can create master rules as well, from where you have created master option rules. If you have any queries, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.